Tired of the nagging feeling that there's money out there you haven't properly accounted for in QuickBooks Online? Let's dive right in and find those unapplied customer payments so you can reconcile your accounts with confidence. First, navigate to the Sales tab on the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once the Sales tab is expanded, click on Invoices. Now, locate and click on the Filter button. It's usually found above your invoice list. A filter window will pop up in the Type drop-down menu. Select Payment. Next, in the Status drop-down menu, select Open. This will show you payments that haven't been fully applied to an invoice. QuickBooks Online will then display a list of all your unapplied payments. Review each payment on the list. You can identify unapplied payments by noting if the balance column shows an amount greater than 0. If you've found a payment, click on to open the record and see if there are credits to apply to outstanding invoices. To apply the payment, in the Receive Payment screen, select the appropriate invoices this payment needs to be applied to, and make sure your customer balance is $0. Once you're done, this clears the received payment. Congratulations! You've successfully located and applied unapplied payments in QuickBooks Online. This ensures your financial records are accurate, giving you a clearer picture of your business's financial health.